The Wolf Convection Steam Oven is amazingly versatile. You can steam in it, you can roast, you can bake. What I want to show you is the slow roast mode. What we're going to do is put this lightly browned beef tenderloin in the oven, ask the oven to have it done at an exact time, at an exact temperature. There is no overdone end. The outside of it isn't overcooked. The entire roast is exactly as you want it to be. We are at the Conscious Carnivore. The idea obviously is that we have local, free-range, grass-fed meats.
This is all pasture-raised animals. These are Berkshire pork, baby back ribs.
And it's also going to taste better than something we would normally get. So, one of the biggest and probably most expensive things that you can do is the full beef tenderloin. So I put my lightly browned roast in the oven, and now I want to set this so that we're going to eat at 9 o'clock. Exactly. I'm going to enter the slow roast mode. I'm going to choose beef tenderloin. I want this to be medium. It shows me the finished temperature is going to be 135 degrees. I want to set it for 9 o'clock. The convection steam oven monitors the internal temperature of the tenderloin. By monitoring the temperature of the roast, it actually is raising and lowering the temperature inside the oven. This oven is constantly figuring out exactly what temperature the roast needs to be at what time in this cooking process. It's going to be rested and ready to slice at the precise moment you want to serve your meal. Now it's exactly 9 o'clock. The roast is exactly 135 degrees. We're going to pull this out of the oven and see what it looks like. I am excited to see this. You can see how little liquid is in the pan. In a traditional roasting, you don't know exactly when it's going to be done. You don't know exactly when you're going to have dinner. In the convection steam oven, in the slow roast mode, you know exactly when it's going to be ready to slice. The slow roast mode in the Wolf Convection Steam Oven is by far the best, most precise, and easiest way to create the centerpiece for your dinner.